Welcome to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about SEO. I'm going to cover some advanced techniques that will help you improve your rankings and get more traffic from organic search. So let's get started. You want to improve your page speed. One of the ranking factors that Google takes into account is page speed. In general, faster pages tend to rank better than slower ones. There are a few things you can do to improve your page speed. You want to optimize your images by reducing the size without sacrificing quality. You want to minimize your HTTP requests by using CSS spirits or inline images. You can enable compressions on your server and use a content delivery network or CDN. You want to implement structured data. Structured data is a way to make your content so that your search engine can understand it better. This can help you rank higher in the search results, especially for featured snippets. There are many different types of structured data you can use, but some common ones are schema.org or RDFA. You want to optimize your title tags and meta descriptions. Your title tag is one of the most important SEO elements on your page. It should be descriptive and include your target keyword, but it shouldn't be too long or stuffed with keywords. If you're looking to take your SEO game to the next level, this is for you. I'm going to cover some techniques that will help you improve your ranking and get more traffic from organic search. Your meta description is also important because it appears in the search results below your title tag. Like your title tag, it should be descriptive and include your target keyword, but it also needs to be compelling enough to get people to click through to your website. You want to use internal links. Internal linking is a way to help search engines understand the structure of your website and find the pages on them. It also helps users navigate your website. To do this, you just need to add links from one page on your website to another. For example, if you have a blog post about SEO, or you could link it to an SEO guide. You want to write great content. This should go without saying. Content is still king when it comes to SEO. If you want to rank higher in the search results, you need to create content that's relative, informative, and engaging. One way to come up with ideas for great content is to look at what other people in your niche are talking about. You can use tools like BuzzSumo and Google Trends to find popular topics, and you can also use Google Search Console to see what people are searching for. There's also a lot of digital marketing, such as SEMrush and things like that, that you can also see what people are searching for. Once you have some ideas, it's a start writing. Remember to include your target keywords in your content, but don't sacrifice quality for the sake of keyword stuffing. Next, you want to promote your content. Just because you've written great content doesn't mean people will automatically find it. You need to promote it if you want to get traffic from the search engine. And there are a few ways you can promote your content. Social media. You want to share your content on social media sites like Twitter, Facebook, Google. You also may be guest blogging. Reach out to other bloggers in your niche and see if they're interested in publishing guest posts on their website. Also, link building. Try to get links from high-quality websites. This can be done through guest blogging, creating infographics, or writing helpful blog posts. Next, you want to monitor your SEO progress. Once you've implemented all of these SEO techniques, it's important to monitor your progress so you can see what's working and what needs to be improved. There are a few different ways you can do this. You want to check your rankings in search engines. You want to use Google Analytics to track your website traffic. And you want to monitor your backlink profile. By monitoring your SEO progress, you can make changes as needed to improve your ranking. And that's it. These are just a few things you can do to improve your SEO. But if you want to really take your SEO to the next level, consider hiring an SEO consultant or agency. An SEO consultant or agency can help you with keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and more. It can also provide guidance on how best to implement these techniques so you can see the greatest results. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's EDBISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.